When we do VO2 testing, here's our machine here and the treadmill that you'd be doing that on. That's great to evaluate your cardiovascular fitness level.
Alright, so this is the OptiFast chocolate shake, which is total fat is 6 grams, but we want to look at the protein, which is 26 grams. And then we have the OptiFast soup, which is protein is 16 grams. So this has 10 grams more because it's the high protein.
My name is Lauren Hollander.
My name is Tawny Taylor.
My name is Emily. I'm from Chicago.
I'm born and raised in California.
Stone Mountain, Georgia. To date, I've lost a little bit over 140 pounds.
59 pounds.
100 pounds.
My life before the weight loss was, to say the least, rough. There was something missing because I wasn't healthy.
I went to have a general doctor's appointment, stepped on the scale, and I had one of those moments where I was like, wow, that's the number that sits below my feet. It was 240 pounds.
Walking the dog was about the most exercise I got at that.
OptiFast allows you to change what you're eating, and then they teach you how to eat, and then once again, they also work on what's going on inside of you and why you're overeating.
For me, it was very easy to do and follow a simple plan. You know, I'll know I'll be closer to my goal and closer to being healthier. My heart would be healthier, my whole body. It feels strange to be treated to all of this, but this has been a great way just to go city and be pampered.
I see people, since I've lost weight, people literally walk by me, and all of a sudden they'll turn around and go, Tawny, is that you? And I'm like, yes, that's me.
I feel like $1 million right now. All that hard work, and this is the payoff.
I'm going to hike Kilimanjaro next year, and that was like one of my long-term goals.
Probably be doing another triathlon, probably next spring.
Still have about 35 pounds to go, and then maintain.
Without him, I don't think I could have done this.
She's been there all the way through the ups and downs, and she has seen all of my struggles.
She's always been on my back, which is good, and supporting me.
I look good, but most of all, I feel good, and I'm good on the inside, healthy, and that's the best part.
Welcome to New Horizon Medical. We are a multidisciplinary obesity treatment center located in Foxborough, Massachusetts. Our mission is to provide high quality and personalized medical care in a compassionate environment to empower you to make behavior and lifestyle changes for a lifetime. Our team of medical professionals specializing in weight management is committed to helping you be your healthiest self. Obesity is a chronic disease, which means there is no cure, but with ongoing treatment and support, you can gain control. Our goal is to help provide you with the tools, skills, and knowledge necessary to not only lose weight, but to keep it off. Through weight loss, you will also see improvements in many other weight-related conditions. We treat all levels of obesity here at New Horizon. To see if your BMI qualifies for medical intervention, please use the calculator on our website. A BMI greater than 25 is required for enrollment in the program. Our dietitians and nutritionists will design a nutrition plan customized to your needs and based on how much weight you need to lose. This plan may include full liquid diet, partial meal replacement, or a low carbohydrate diet. For some patients, treatment may also include the use of FDA-approved weight loss medications. The first step to becoming a patient at New Horizon is to complete your testing and orientation visit, which typically takes about 90 minutes. Testing includes blood work, measuring your resting metabolic rate, or RMR, and conducting an electrocardiogram, or EKG. There will also be a medical evaluation at this visit to review your medical, family, and weight history. The first step is vital because it gives our team the information necessary to design the most effective treatment plan customized to your needs and metabolism. After the testing visit, you'll be admitted to the program, and your first new patient visit will last approximately 90 minutes. At this visit, you will get to meet all of your team members to create your treatment plan and get started. Your weekly follow-up visits will be approximately 1 hour. The combination of nutrition, fitness, lifestyle coaching, and medical monitoring is what makes our program so successful. So it is required that you meet with all of your team members at every visit. Each week, we'll help you troubleshoot the previous week and plan for the week ahead to help you overcome any challenges and meet your weekly goals. From dining out, meal planning, managing cravings and urges, to addressing emotional eating, our experts are here to guide you. Once you reach your healthy weight and have successfully completed the active weight loss portion of the program, there will be a transitional period where we will add more variety to your nutrition plan and visits will become less frequent. Then, when you are ready, you will move to monthly maintenance visits, which will provide ongoing accountability and allow you to easily resume treatment if needed. The goal of this maintenance program is to help you create a balanced way of eating to include the foods you enjoy while still maintaining your new healthy weight. Again, we are committed to helping you make lifelong changes, as this is the only way to maintain weight loss. If you'd like to become a part of this groundbreaking program, please reach out to us. For more information and to book an appointment, please call 774-215-5579, and one of our staff will be happy to assist you. We accept Medicare, most major health insurances, and flex spending cards. And if your insurance is not accepted, we also have affordable payment plans. We look forward to meeting you and supporting you in this lifelong journey.
So before the OptiFast program, I would find myself calculating kind of how far I was parking even at places, how long, it was even getting hard. I love to shop, walk around the malls, who doesn't love to do that? I couldn't even do that anymore. It gotten hard to walk even, a half a mile, and now, gosh, we probably walk miles a day, sometimes up to 10 miles, and now I can shop without having to worry about having any pain. I will say, I guess before I started the OptiFast program, I didn't realize how much of, I guess, my life had been taken away, because it gave me back something I didn't realize I had lost. Being able to go outside, being confident, just feeling physically better. One of the things that I found to be the most helpful with the OptiFast program was the fact that it came along with the medical supervision and the testing and the dietitians that we had access to and some of their plans. And that was not something I was getting from a regular doctor, and just to have that access to that monitoring really was very, very telling for me and very helpful. I think the biggest change in my life since I've started the program, I'm a lot more confident than I was. I didn't realize how, I guess, reclusive I had become and how I wasn't confident at all in front of people or speaking or any of that, and that has really come back full circle. And even with what I do with work, it was really important that I be that way. So that was just kind of a secondary side effect that I'm